Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your FIFA mobile game account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA mobile game on your device. And after you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will be given the opportunity to choose a club as your home team. After choosing this club and gaining access to the main menu, if you wish to add some friends, then tap on the friends icon at the top right corner. Now within the friends icon, you can tap on the plus friend icon, and now you will see various different users recommended for you to add as a friend. You can either tap on the add friend button for each player, and you can also check their profile from the drop down menu. You can also use the search button to search for any user by typing their username. Once you have found a user that you wish to add, just tap on the add friend button and then tap on send request, and this will send a friend request to this user. Once they tap on the accept button, they will become your friend within the FIFA mobile game. And now you will be able to start matches with this user right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.